Life by Design is turning 10 on December the 12th, 2022, and I want you to help me celebrate. Wouldn't it be fun if this was a real bottle of champagne? I started Life by Design 10 years ago, and it has been an incredible journey as I have dedicated my time to creating art, exploring my creative process, and sharing it with you. I'm hoping that you'll help me celebrate the last 10 years and participate in some really fun giveaways and specials that I have planned for the next 10 days. When I first started Life by Design, I had no idea what the path or the journey would look like, but I am really happy to have been able to just enjoy working on my art and creating some fun opportunities to hopefully inspire you to work on your art as well. As we go through these next 10 days, each day we'll have something really cool to either give away or offer to you as a special. So I need your help, and I need you to help me participate and celebrate as we really just have some fun over the next 10 days with some things that I have planned for you. So over the next 10 days, we'll be celebrating over on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to emails too so that you can get an extra entry for all of the things that I have planned for you. So help me celebrate 10 years of Life by Design over these next 10 days, and who knows, maybe I'll even grab a bottle of champagne for the last day. The last day I have something really awesome to give away. So thank you for being here. Thank you for your support over these last 10 years. I'm excited to see what the next 10 years bring as well. So stay tuned to Instagram, follow at lifebydesign.com or at Life by Design to make sure that you are eligible for our giveaways and specials. Make sure that you tune into our newsletter list too, because we'll be giving you some special insights there. And thank you. Let's celebrate 10 years.